Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. Both these appeals have been filed, being aggrieved by the orders dated 21/5/2020 and 10/6/2020 passed by the learned single judge directing the High Court to ensure that technical persons are available at the time of hearing of cases through video conferencing and that such technical persons should ensure that every case is available online on the computer by downloading the cause list onto the laptop oblique computer and make an icon on the desktop of that computer as also download the pleadings of all the cases listed on that day onto the computer and make individual icons on the desktop so that the court can assess each case at the click of the mouse full stop. It is also directed that such technical person should ensure that the cases so downloaded are as per the cause list and are properly and accurately uploaded full stop stanza. It is submitted by learned counsel for the appellant that the said directions were issued in the criminal matters that were being heard by the learned single judge. Full stop. It is submitted that they have no grievance and have not challenged the orders passed in the criminal cases but are only aggrieved by the directions issued to the High Court regarding making available of technical persons for regular court work. Full stop stanza. It is submitted that the petitioner was praying for regular bail, whereas the order passed by the Special Judge CBI Court Chandigarh cancelling the bail of the petitioner therein was assailed. Full stop. Thus, the High Court within bracket appellant was not a party to those proceedings. Full stop. However, being aggrieved by the directions oblique orders that are being assailed in the present appeals, the High Court in the first instance moved two applications in each of the cases seeking to be impleaded as party and for recalling the orders dated 21/5/2020 full stop wide order dated 10/6/2020, the learned single judge impleaded the appellant as party to the proceedings full stop, but the prayer for recalling oblique modifying the order dated 21/5/2020 has since been declined wide order dated 10/6/2020 and instead it was observed that as regards recalling oblique modification of the order, I see no reason to do so because if training had already been imparted to the staff of each court, it is the duty of such court staff to ensure in tandem with other officers oblique officials of the registry to upload all case files on to the computers oblique laptops oblique iPads etc available to each court full stop. Thus these appeals full stop stanza learned counsel for the appellant having taken us through the grounds on which the order dated 21/5/2020 was sought to be recalled as also the grounds of appeal at hands has demonstrated that the impugned directions issued by the learned single judge are rather causing practical difficulties and have made it nearly impossible for the High Court within bracket appellant to regulate and manage the video conferencing process full stop. He submits that the role of the technical staff of the computer section of the High Court is confined only to resolving the technical issues concerning connectivity or video oblique audio disturbances during the hearing full stop, whereas the task of downloading the cause list pleadings, making individual icons on the desktop, downloading the cases as per the cause list has specifically been assigned to the secretarial staff attached to each court oblique judge full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी जो कि जनरल मैटर था और लीगल मिक्स था, ठीक है। और आपके सिर्फ और सिर्फ कॉमन वर्ड से ये डिक्टेशन बनी हुई है। तो डिक्टेशन अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन सीरीज लाइक दिस सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।